Hello everyone. Hello. All right, so today we are learning about, okay, before we get to learn, hello everyone. How are you? Very good. Hello. How are you? Very good. Remember, I'm Teacher School. So you say, hello, Teacher School. All right. How are you today? Excellent. What color of the t-shirt am I wearing today? What's the color of my t-shirt? What's the color of my t-shirt? It's yellow. Very good. I want to see if you guys can see me. All right. If you see me, then I am wearing a yellow color t-shirt. All right. I actually love yellow because, like, when it's sunny, yellow repels the sun. So I love the yellow color. All right. So that's what I want to say to you. Remember, if someone says, "What color is your t-shirt?" they mean what color of the top that you're wearing. If they say, "What color is your pants?" remember I showed you the pants. What color of the pants? All right. Or what color is your shoe? All right. And then you tell them, what color is your shoe? Normally the shoe is going to be white or black, or sometimes you get like different colors, but normally it's going to be black or white. All right. So yeah. So remember that. Very important. All right. Cool. So today we are doing something that we call an ocean today. All right. What are we doing today? Ocean. Okay. I'm going to take the camera and just show you so that you see well what an ocean is. Can you see? Yes. That's an ocean. Yeah. It looks beautiful. Okay, you can take a ferry, you can take a boat, or you can just look at the ocean with whatever that you want to look at the ocean with. All right. But we're not only looking at the ocean on top today. We're looking at the ocean and the animals that, not only animals, the animals and plants that you find in the ocean. All right. Remember, ocean is made of water. All right. You remember this is water. Very good. This is water. And the ocean is all around made of water. So everywhere in the ocean is water. But this water is with salt. So it's salt water, not fresh water. You cannot drink the water from the ocean. All right. Because it's salty. All right. So today we're going to do animals, ocean, the animals that you're going to find in an ocean, and of course the plants that you would find in an ocean. Let me just look at the camera and see if the bottom is showing. Actually, it's not pretty showing. Okay, now it's showing. All right, great. So what do we call this? We call it an ocean. Very good. What do we call this? An ocean. All right. What do we call this? We call this an ocean. All right, so I'm going to take the camera because I want to go each and every animal that you find in an ocean. So this is an ocean. All right, this is an ocean. All right, so right in the top of the ocean, normally you find it floating. We have this animal. What animal is this? Very good. It's fish. All right, it's fish. What animal is this? This is fish. All right, so this is how you spell fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Fish, F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H, fish. Fish. All right, so this is a fish. All right, next to the fish, right next to the fish, I'm also going to get closer to this animal. This is the animal that we like. Very good. That's a shark. Baby shark. Do, 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 do. You remember that song? Baby shark. All right, cool. So that's a shark. What animal is that? We see this animal, and we call this animal a shark. And the shark is spelled S-H-A-R-K, a shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. All right. Next to the shark, there is this animal. We're also going to go closer to the animal. It's next to the shark. This one, what do we call this animal? We call it a turtle. All right, we call it a turtle, this one. Okay, good. So what do we call this animal? It's a turtle. We call it a turtle. 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 This is not an I, it's an L. Turtle. All right, excellent. That animal, we call it a turtle. Okay, so now I want to show you this one. Can you see this and this and this? They are pretty much the same animal. What do we call these animals? Very good. We call them a jellyfish. So they are jellyfish. All right, they are jellyfish. They are jellyfish. One word. Jellyfish. 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 All right. So next to the jellyfish, or between the jellyfish, there is that red animal. What do we call this red animal? Very good. We call it a shrimp. It's a shrimp. Shrimp. So it's like ship, but there is an R, so it's shrimp. All right. So that's how you spell it. It's SHRIMP. 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 So can you say it? Shrimp. 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 All right. So that's a shrimp. This one is a shrimp. Then the last one, there is this one. This one is not an animal. Okay. This is not an animal. There's this. It's also there. It's also there. There are three. It's not an animal. Well, they argue that it has a mitochondria and all that, but we don't call it an animal. We always regard it as a plant. And what plant is that? What plant is that? Very good. It's seaweed. 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 All right. So it's seaweed. Seaweed. All right. So these are the animals that you'd find. Fish. 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 Shark. 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 Turtle. 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 Jellyfish. 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 Seaweed. 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 And then the last one is shrimp. 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 Excellent. All right. All right, you guys. All right. So you can see all the animals, and I have pretty much told you what these animals are. All right. So now I've got two things here, and you guys are going to do it, not me. All right. You guys would have to do it. I've got papers here, different papers, and then I've got a glue. So I want you to tell me first where each paper is supposed to go, and then we glue it all together. All right, so cool. All right, are you guys ready to play the game with me? All right, so let's look at the first paper. The first paper is this one. What animal is this? And which one is that? Is it this one? No. Remember, this is a shark. This is a shark. Is it that one? No, it's not. Remember, this is a fish, all right? Is it this one? No. Remember, this is a turtle, all right? Is it this one? No. Remember, this is a shrimp. Very good. Is it this one? Excellent. This is a jellyfish. All right. So what we do is we open up our glue and we shake it and we put it on the other side. All right. So we put the glue. We put the glue on. Put the glue, and then after putting a glue, what do? We paste it. Okay. Paste it. Very good. So that's a jellyfish. What animal is this? A jellyfish. All right. Cool. And then the second one is this one. We're not gonna waste time. This is a shrimp. A shrimp. 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 Very good. Very good. All right. So where does the shrimp go? Is this a shrimp? Is this a shrimp? No, it's not. It's a fish. This one. Is this a shrimp? No, it's not. Is this a shrimp? Very good. That's a shrimp. All right. So we're gonna put glue. We're just gonna put glue without wasting time. And while we're still putting glue, you'd be looking for the next animal. So this one is a shrimp. Excellent. All right. That's a shrimp. What animal is this? A shrimp. All right. What color is the shrimp? The shrimp is red. It could be pink sometimes, but the one we have today is red. What color is our jellyfish? Well, this one, it has yellowish. Remember, a jellyfish can be also bluish, bottle blue. But you can also find it as if it's lightning. It has a light on it, and sometimes the light is a little bit yellowish. All right, cool. So let's move right along. The next one is this one. What animal is this? Very good. That's a fish. All right. So we're gonna put glue, and then we're gonna put glue. Putting glue, and then where do we put our fish? This is a fish, but we normally don't call this a fish. We call it a shark. All right. This is definitely not a fish. That's a fish. Very good. This one, there are different species of fish. You find the hake, you find sardines, you find all those sorts. But if it has this shape, you know it's a fish. All right. It's safe to say this is a fish. All right. All right, cool. So the next one is this one. What is this one? Oh, this one is dangerous. We are scared of this one. What do we call it? Very good. It's a shark. All right. What do we call this? We call it a shark. What do we call it? It's a shark. Say shark. Say baby shark. Doo, 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 doo. Very good. All right. Is this a shark? No, but this is a shark. We've already said this is a shark. So this is a shark. Very good. Well done. That's a shark. All right. So we're missing this one and this one. All right. What do we call this one? We call it a turtle. All right. We call it a turtle. Remember, we've written it here. So that's a turtle. All right. So we call it a turtle. All right. So we've got it. We've got a shark, and we remember our song, Baby Shark. Doo, 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 doo. It refers to this animal, which is a shark. All right. And then that one, the yellow one, we call it a fish. All right. So let's see. All right. The shark. All right. So we've got almost two that we haven't figured out. Okay. So we've got this one. What is this one? Very good. That's a turtle. All right. So a turtle. So we're going to take our glue, right? We take our glue and we shake it, and then we put the glue on, put the glue on. All right, so where is the turtle? Is this the turtle also? No, it's a shark. And this one, it's a fish. And this one's a jellyfish. So these two are jellyfish. And that's a shrimp, all right? Where's the turtle? That's the turtle. Okay. All right, that's a turtle. All right, so cool. So we left with these ones. These are seaweed. Seaweed, excellent. Seaweed. All right, so we're gonna put the glue on the seaweed. Put the glue on. Okay, we're gonna put the glue on, and then we paste it right here. All right, so that's the seaweed. Okay. Seaweed. Okay, we're lucky we've got two for the seaweed, not one but two. All right, so this is another seaweed, and there's a space for it, so we're just gonna paste it on the space that is provided. Okay, what do we call this? Seaweed. Excellent. All right, so what do we call seaweed? And what are we using to paste? We're using a glue. All right, we say this is a glue. All right, cool. So we paste this seaweed here. Right. Very good. So we've pasted our animal and plant, of course. But remember, what is this? This is water, and the ocean is water, except the ocean is salty. This one, you can drink it. But the ocean, no, you can't drink the ocean water because it has a lot of salt. All right, cool. Let's go back to our animals. What is this place? This place is the ocean. Very good. This place is the ocean. All right, so what do we find in an ocean? We find this thing. What do we call this one? This animal. Let me show you guys. Get closer to the animal. What animal is this? Do you guys want to try? We said this is very good fish. All right. What animal is this? Let's try. This is very good, the shark. What animal is this? This is the very good turtle. All right. So what animal is this? This is a jellyfish. Well done. All right. So what animal is this? The last one. This is a shrimp. Very good. And then there is this one, which is not an animal, but this is a seaweed. Very good. I love it. You guys are very smart. All right. So those are the animals that you normally find in an ocean. All right. Those are the animals that you normally find in an ocean. All right. Let's go through our animals again. Fish, 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 shark, shark, shark. All right, shark is spelled S-H. We already said that. You guys are struggling with shark, but it's spelled S-H, S-H-A-R-K. So it's spelled like this, shark. Fish, shark, shark, turtle, turtle, jellyfish, jellyfish, seaweed, seaweed, shrimp, shrimp. All right, so let's start again. Fish, 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 shark, 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 turtle, 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 jellyfish, 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 seaweed, 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 and the last one is shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. All right, so these animals are called the shrimp because you see the R, it will be shrimp, but there is an R there, so we don't say shrimp, but we say shrimp. Do you want to try it? Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. So when we're saying it fast, it's shrimp, but it's a shrimp. All right, shrimp. So then we say it fast, we say shrimp. All right, shrimp, shrimp. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Now I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to tell me. Amongst these animals, which one is a big animal amongst all of these animals? Big animal. Which one is that? Is that a fish? No, the fish is not big. Is that a turtle? No, a turtle is not big. In fact, it could go all the way to that. Is that a shark? Yes, a shark is big. A shark can eat a human being. That's how big it is. So a shark is the biggest. And then the shrimp is like very small. It's like this. If you find a king shrimp, you find it like double the size of a normal shrimp, but that's still small. The big one is the shark. All right. The big animal is the shark. What big animal is here? The shark. What big animal is here? The shark. What is small animal amongst these animals in the ocean? Which one is small? Which one is small? Very good. The jellyfish is small. The shrimp is also small, but the jellyfish is smaller than the shrimp. So One of the animal that is really, really small is a jellyfish. All right. Which animal is small here? It's the jellyfish. Very good. It's a jellyfish. Which animal is small here? It's a jellyfish. Which animal is big? It's a shark. Which animal is yellow? Well, a jellyfish can be a little bit bottle yellow. You find it bottle yellow. And a fish, all right? Which animal is red? Red in color. Red in color. Which one is red? Very good. A shrimp is red in color. Sometimes you find it red or pink. All right. Which one is a plant? A plant is seaweed. Seaweed is not an animal, it's a plant. Seaweed is not an animal, it's a plant. All right. All right. Which animal has a shell on the back? Amongst these animals, which one has a shell on the back? Which one has a shell on the back? A trunk. That's a turtle. A turtle has a trunk. All right. Very good. You guys are so smart. All right. All right. Thank you so much. Remember, the big animal here is a shark. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.